So sorry about it. Now, you can see here, he said, let me take it again because I was distracted anyway. He said, the Biafran Defense Council, the administrative body of the Biafran Defense Forces, has noted with dismay, okay, the impersonation of the Biafran Liberation Army by certain individuals, individuals organized by desperate elements seeking to make a point. We urge all Biafrans to take this warning seriously, as the consequences for violators will be severe. That is threat. A video featuring approximately 4 men from Aludo State. This Aludo is in Igbo land, though. Okay, posted by an individual named Nikki on X shows them falsely representing themselves as members of the Biafran Liberation Army. The council has directed the commander of the Biafran Liberation Army in Aludo to identify these individuals and ensure they face appropriate punishment. Okay, so we are not going to read everything, but you can see the write-up, very long. Now, and they ended up crossing them as bad eggs. Today, here on X, the same people are busy celebrating them and telling you that these are gallant soldiers, gallant Liberation Army. Why? Because they are now inciting their own people. They are now siding Ogenkere. They are now talking about Ogenkere. Not from Aludo, but Igodomigodo. But remember, they told you that these people are people that they don't know, who are there, they are this, they are that. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying, because many of you may not understand what is playing out. You may not understand it, but the truth of the matter is that everything I'm telling you here, you can verify it on your own. You can go out there and verify it. Like I said, it is not hidden. It is not hidden. Now, let's go to the issue of this hour. I have seen some people on my comment section trying to tell me that Ngozi Odagbeze is the one bringing division. She is the one that started this, argument, creating, fraction and all that. In fact, Ogenkere Group have even dragged it to the extent of saying that USB is breakaway group. I don't understand when they say that breakaway. Somebody like me, I got confused. When PM made it clear that Biafra will be redeclared on 2nd of December, he planned it from January to December. That's the time frame that he gave. And he initiated self-referendum. Quoting what Master Mekano said, if you follow us from the beginning, I played Master Mekano's message here. Let me, in fact, you know what? Let me see if I may go back to that message of Master Mekano, so that you will, though it's about 6 minutes, so that you understand what happened. PM followed everything that Master Mekano said. Master Mekano said that when he formed ESN, in the broadcast he made to tell Biafrans or the whole world the job of ESN, he said, I quote, Biafran, not army, ESN is not to break away from Nigeria or to make to form army, Biafran army. That is for security purpose of Eastern region. Security purpose of Eastern region. And he made it clear that it is not army. That for Biafra to form army, that will be after referendum. Okay? After referendum, meaning that he will have mandate of Biafrans to do that. Now, I will leave you with that message. Just hear this.